Sceptre 24-inch curved 144Hz gaming LED monitor edgeless AMD FreeSync DisplayPort HDMI, machine black, C248B-144RN. 24 curved gaming monitor. 144Hz refresh rate, more than double the standard refresh rate. 144Hz gives gamers an edge and visibility as frames transition instantly, leaving behind no blur images. AMD FreeSync with FreeSync, gamers now enjoy smooth video and seamless on-the-spot movement through their fast-paced games. DisplayPort, HDMI, audio out jack. Anti-flicker provides a crisper picture by preventing the backlight from flickering periodically. Curved monitor. The curved display delivers a revolutionary visual experience with a leading 1800R screen curvature as the images appear to wrap around you for an in-depth, immersive experience. FPS RTS FPS and RTS are Sceptre's custom-set display settings built for an enhanced gaming experience. FPS First Person shooter, RTS, real-time strategy. Windows 10 Sceptre monitors are fully compatible with Windows 10, the most recent operating system available on PCs. Tilt. With the ability to tilt 15 degrees backward and 5 degrees forward, the added tilt feature will provide multiple options for finding the optimum angle to view the screen, so that work and browsing can be performed with ease. VESA Wall mount. Pattern. Using the VESA Wall mount pattern, easily mount your Sceptre LED monitor on the wall in a manner that is both aesthetically pleasing and conveniently practical. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.